Okay, so she was giving me a foot massage, and as soon as she started, I just started busting out laughing because it tickles.
Welcome to the spa.
That's great. Okay, so here's gonna be me laughing my butt off. Has to be wet, never.
Is this wet enough?
Here we go.
You're just like a laughing cat. What is wrong? What? Hello. Hello. Okay, enough it.
That one doesn't tickle as much.
I'm just kidding.
The other one.
Okay, here.
And that was Ryan laughing like crazy. Because it tickles. I can't help it.
Toodaloo.